Welcome to today's maths class, and we are given here in equation x to the power x square plus 4x minus 60 is equals to 1. X is real and we have to find all the values of x. So this equation is possible under three cases. Case 1, this x square minus 5x plus 5 is equals to 1. Only then 1 to the power something will be equals to 1. Case 2 is when this x square plus 4x minus 60 is equals to 0. Only then something to the power 0 will be equals to 1. And in this case, x square minus 5x plus 5 cannot be equals to 0. And the case 3 is this x square minus 5x plus 5 will be equals to minus 1, and this expression, which is in the power x square plus 4x minus 60, will be even integer. Only if it is an even integer like minus 2, minus 4, or plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, only then minus 1 to the power something even integer will be equals to 1. So under these three cases, we have to find the value of x. What is case 1? This x square minus 5x plus 5 is equals to 1. Or we can say that x square minus 5x plus 5 minus 1, 4 is equals to 0. We can write x square minus 4x minus x plus 4 is equals to 0, or x common, x minus 4 minus 1 common, x minus 4 will be equals to 0, or x minus 4 into x minus 1 will be equals to 0. From here we can get two solutions of x. One is 4 and another is 1. Now this 4 in this equation, then it becomes 4 square, that is 16, minus 5 into 4, that is 20. So 16 minus 20, that is minus 4, plus 5 is equals to 1. So this equation is okay for this x is equals to 4 value. And if we put 1 here, 1 square minus 5 into 1, that is 1 minus 5, that is minus 4 plus 5, that is also equals to 1. So both the values are correct. Now let us consider the case 2. Case 2 holds good if x square plus 4x minus 60 is equals to 0. Now we can write this 4x as 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equals to 0. Or we can take x common, so inside will be x plus 10 minus 6 common, inside there will be x plus 10 is equals to 0, or x plus 10 into x minus 6 is equals to 0. So from here we get two values, minus 10 and 6. Case 2, our condition was the base, which is x square minus 5x plus 5, that cannot be equals to 0. So by putting x is equals to minus 10 and 6, we have to check whether the value of x square minus 5x plus 5 is not equals to 0. So if we put x is equals to minus 10 in the expression x square minus 5x plus 5, it becomes minus 10 square minus 5 into minus 10 plus 5, and it becomes 100 plus 50 plus 5 is equals to 155, which is not equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 10 is okay. Now for this is for x is equals to minus 10. For x is equals to 6, this x square minus 5x plus 5 becomes 6 square minus 5 into 6 plus 5, which is equals to 36 minus 30 plus 5. 6 plus 5, 11. So that is also not equals to 0. So x is equal to 6 is also a solution. Now for the case 3, square minus 5x plus 5 is equals to minus 1. So this becomes, if we take this minus 1 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 5x, it will become plus 1, so it will be plus 6 is equals to 0. Or we can write this as x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. Taking common x, inside it is x minus 2, minus 3 common, inside it is x minus 2. So we take x minus 2 common and inside there will be x minus 3. So we get two values of x from here, 2 and 3. But for the third case, we have one condition, that the expression in the power, which is x square plus 4x minus 60, must be an even integer. So if we put x is equal to 2 in this expression, for x is equals to 2, x square plus 4x minus 60 will be equals to 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 60, that is 4 plus 8, 12 minus 60, that is minus 48. So this is an even integer. So this x is equals to 2 is one answer. If we put x is equals to 3 in this x square plus 4x minus 60, then it becomes 3 square plus 4 into 3 minus 60, which is 9 plus 12 minus 60, or equals to minus 39. But this is not an even integer. So x is equals to 3 cannot be a solution. So we are having the values of x minus 10, 6, 4, 1 and 2. So these are the values of x for our given equation.